Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python commonly asked coding interview questions, we have been discussing about most frequently asked problems in recent times. So in that series, let's start discussing about how to find matching element between two lists. So the complexity level of the problem is very simple. So it is at a beginner level. Let's jump onto the implementation and try to see how we can solve this. Okay. So as usual, let's have a function def. Let's call it as matching element match ele, and I'm gonna call that match, right? So now let me write the let me have two different lists. So I will call a the first list as a, and let me have few integer values inside it. So 5 comma 4 comma 9 comma 12 comma 23 comma 31. Okay. Similarly, you will have another list b. It has 4 comma 12 comma 31 comma 33. So now we want to find matching element between these two lists. Okay, so that's our ultimate aim. So the simplest way of how we can this very easiest way how we can implement this is we can have a nested for loop. We can have two different for loops, and then we can have an if condition to identify the matching element. So what the first for loop will do is it will iterate through each and every item in the first list. Similarly, the second for loop will iterate through each and every element in the second list, and then it will have an if condition to identify if there is any matching element or not. Okay, so now let me start writing that for I in A, which is my list A, and for J in my list B. Now I have to find a matching element between these two, right? So I and J are my iterators here. So I equal to J. Sorry, if I equal to J, then I'm just printing either I or J. I will print I. So now let me run and show this. Yeah, now the matching elements 4, 12, and 31 got printed in the console. Okay, so let me just to verify if it is working correctly or not. I'm just changing my list. Now only 4 and 12 is displayed. Okay, so this is now working very perfectly. So this is one of the very easiest way of implementing how to find matching element between two lists. But where else, if I try to give any more Pythonic solution, then interviewer will be much more impressed. So let's start looking at another alternative way, which is more Pythonic way of solving this problem. Let's have these two list as it is. Now let's go into a concept called list comprehension. So list comprehension is an interesting topic in Python. Okay, so if you want to create a new list based on the existing list, then you can go into this concept of list comprehension. So generally, list comprehension is it's a best way of writing optimizing the code. For example, in our earlier implementation, we had a couple of for loop and an if condition to actually um, perform the implementation, right? So whereas with help of list comprehension, we can minimize that three lines of code into a single line of code. So let's start looking into that example. So first let me write the syntax for you so that you will have a better understanding about it. So this is new list equal to expression for item in iterable if condition equal to true. Close it. Now I'm going to split this into three different parts for you to understand it better. So let me split expression, and for item in iterable. So first one is the expression, next one is the iterable, the third one is the condition. So we have three different sections here. Okay, now let's try to use this list comprehension in our problem. Okay, so I will name the new list as new NL. Okay, so NL. So now let me keep following this syntax. Okay, so expression, let me have an expression. So expression can be X. So let me have expression. Next I need to have the iteration, right? Iterable. So for iterable I have to provide a for condition for X in A. So what is my iterable? Iterable is my first list. So A. Next I need to give the condition. So if X in B, right? So you iterating through the first list and verifying if the actual value is present in the second list or not. So this is so this is a single line implementation of how we implemented in the previous problem, right? So the same implementation is now in packed into a single line of code. Okay, so this is how, this is the beauty of list comprehension, and you can actually optimize your code in a best way to write multiple lines of code in a single line of code, and also from the performance perspective also this list comprehension works better. Now let me print this, print NL. Now it created a new list for me with the matching elements. Now let me alter my uh, list to identify if it is working perfectly or not. I've added 31, which is actually matching both the list. So 4, 12, 31. Okay, so this is another best way of finding matching element in two list. Okay, so yes friends, that's all what I want to cover as part of this video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please post it into the comment section. Thank you.